Hey friends, if you wish to know more about the Windows Security app and browser control settings for Windows Security, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Now go to the app and browser control settings on the list on the left hand side. We have Smart App Control, which if turned on will enhance protection against untrusted apps. Okay, now I actually believe that it should be on all the time. Although the default mode is the reputation based mode. And the next one is reputation based protection. So if you turn this on, these settings will protect your device from malicious or unwanted apps, files, and websites. And I really think that it should be on, but by default, unfortunately, it is not on. Then you can click on exploit based protection, in which we have control flow guard, which will ensure control flow integrity for indirect calls, and we have data execution prevention, which is on by default. It prevents code being run from data only memory pages. So all of these should obviously be on, and so should force randomization for images, where force relocation of images is not complied with, so that no one can steal your images. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.